Hello, today we will discuss on the topic of COD. COD stands for chemical oxygen demand. COD is used to measure organic matter, that is both biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, by using a strong chemical oxidizing agent. In BOD we learned that in BOD the microorganism only measure the biodegradable waste, but in case of COD, which is a chemical oxygen demand, it measure both the it measure the organic matter, that means both the biodegradable and non biodegradable waste of the collected wastewater by using a strong chemical oxidizing agent. The strong chemical oxidizing agent which is used in COD basically are potassium dichromate, which formula is K2Cr2O7. So the strong oxidizing agents which are used in COD are COD is potassium dichromate. COD is also known as the dichromate oxygen demand test, because here in COD the potassium dichromate is used as an oxidizing agent, therefore it is known as a dichromate oxygen demand. It is expressed in milligram per liter. The COD measurement is expressed in milligram per liter. Organic matter, that is both biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, plus potassium dichromate give rise to Cr3 plus CO2 plus water. When compared with BOD, COD oxidizes more organic compound. Hence, COD's values are higher than BOD value. As we saw that BOD only measure the biodegradable waste, but COD measure both the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, that is the organic matter. Therefore, COD value are higher than the BOD value. COD is the measurement of amount of oxygen in water consumed for chemical oxygen demand. It is the measurement of oxygen present in the water consumed. This method covered the determination of COD in ground and surface water, domestic and industrial waste. It determined the COD of surface water, domestic water and industrial waste water, etc. The applicable range of COD is 3 to 900 milligram per liter. COD can be determined in just 3 hours in contrast to BOD requiring 5 days. So COD can be determined within 3 hours, but in BOD it requires 5 days of incubation period. Coming to the environmental signification, COD values are particularly important in many surveys designed to determine and control the loss of sewer system. So it helps in survey designed to determine the loss of sewer system. BOD value is always less than COD value, as we saw, because CODs measure both the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste of water. For domestic industrial waste water, COD's values is about 2.5 times of the BOD value. COD's value is 2.5 times more than the BOD value. COD is useful to assess strength of waste which contain toxin and biological resistant organic substance. This is a diagram of COD. This is a waste water. This is a sample. This is a waste water which contain organic matter, that means biodegradable and non-biodegradable. This is a river which collect the industrial waste and municipal waste, that means it contain organic matter which consists of both biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. So Here the COD, the wastewater can be measured with the help of a strong oxidizing agent. Oxygen required to oxidize the organic matter through a strong oxidizing agent. Coming to the principle of COD, the first point is the organic matter present in sample get oxidized completely by potassium dichromate in the presence of sulfuric acid, silver sulfate, mercury sulfate to provide CO2 and water. So in the collected wastewater, we oxidize completely in the organic matter present in a sample, means in an wastewater which contain the organic matter get oxidized. The organic matter get oxidized completely by the help of the strong oxidizing agent, that is a potassium dichromate, and also in the presence of sulfuric acid, silver sulfate, mercuric sulfate to produce carbon dioxide and water. The sample is refluxed with the known amount of K2Cr25 is determined by titration against the ferrous ammonium sulfate using the ferrin in the E as an indicator. The dichromate consumed by the sample is equivalent to the amount of CO2 required to oxidize the organic matter. So this is all about the principle of COD, which stands for chemical oxygen demand, and this chemical oxygen demand is a process which help in treating of wastewater treatment by using a strong oxidizing agent. Thanks for watching my video.